What's up, traders? Going 3 for 3 today. Let's get to it. As always, traders, if you want to watch these trades live, head over to Twitch, find them there. Everything from the Twitch live stream will be there in the highlights section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate that support. Let's go ahead and find our first trade on VTNR. I would like to give a quick shout out to ABUS. If you go back and watch the very beginning of the stream, right at the bell, 9:30, we tried to get filled here at 5:22. We had an order. We felt the jiggle right here at the bell, tried to get short, and we didn't get any fill because IB disconnected, and I was very upset. Would have been a good first trade, and we didn't get it. So anyways, our first trade ended up being VTNR. Pretty decent little move up here through 540, which was previous resistance from pre-market, up through the $0.50. Nice little spike up. Got short at 575, looking for the drop down. Tried to go a little bit higher, was looking up through 590 towards 6 to get an add. Didn't get that. Scaled out down towards that 550 area, and that was a pretty decent trade. Next trade was INDI. Not a great trade per se. Was kind of fishing for something to trade. And it was a little bit on the slower side, but we did have some decent previous resistance that had shot up through. Then we had yesterday's high at the open from yesterday at 1428. Got up through the $0.50, and I was just kind of eyeing it as it made this move. It was a decent move, but it wasn't too great. A little bit of volume out of nowhere as well. And we just ended up getting short, got a quick flush, and that was that. And then our last trade was on Bctx. Bctx, this one was okay. Wasn't anything great. I played it with a little bit smaller size just because, you know, it kind of felt like it didn't really want to come down, and got a nice pop though. Previous resistance at 1074, 1075, pop up through 11 all the way up here towards 1150. We end up getting short 1143, looking for the move back down towards 11. That's really what we were looking for. We had some orders out looking for that flush, and we just couldn't get it. It kept getting held up here in the 30s, and it dropped down to the 20s. But it kept going right back to the 30s. I was having a lot of trouble coming down. And so we ended up taking half of the position off just in case. It did end up going back to high of day, but ultimately ended up failing. Because it was so quick of a attempt to pull back, but no real flush, I was okay playing this if it wanted to try to go higher up towards 12. It didn't happen. And it came back down, gave us a nice little flush down towards 11. So we took it off. And as you can see, that was where the bounce kind of stopped. It did try one more time to get through 11, but didn't. And then ultimately ended up going higher before it ended up kind of crashing down here towards the end of the day. That's all I got for you. So here's my closed positions. I know you guys like to see that. Again, going to see how that works out analytical wise. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about it. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you like how I'm kind of speeding through these recaps to kind of keep your attention span, I don't have to worry about you kind of clicking off the video so quick, but I'm also doing my best to kind of give you the insight into what I'm thinking throughout these trades. And yeah, that's all I got. Let me know, and see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.